The history of Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is one of the most famous and important historical monuments in the world. It is located in Siem Reap Province, Cambodia, and is a powerful symbol of Khmer civilization, culture, and identity. Today, Angkor Wat is not only a major tourist attraction, but also a national symbol that appears on the Cambodian flag. Angkor Wat was built in the early 12th century during the reign of King Suryavarman II. At that time, the Khmer Empire was very powerful and controlled large areas of Southeast Asia. The temple was originally constructed as a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Vishnu. This is why many of the carvings and statues inside Angkor Wat represent Hindu stories and gods. The construction of Angkor Wat was an incredible achievement. It took thousands of workers, including architects, artists, and laborers, many years to complete. The temple was built using sandstone blocks that were transported from faraway quarries. These stones were cut and placed together so precisely that no mortar was needed. This shows the advanced engineering skills of the Khmer people. Angkor Wat is famous for its grand design and perfect balance. The temple complex is surrounded by a wide moat, which represents the cosmic ocean in Hindu belief. The 5 central towers symbolize Mount Meru, the sacred mountain where the gods are believed to live. The temple faces west, which is unusual for Hindu temples, and has led some historians to believe it was also intended as a funerary temple for the king. One of the most remarkable features of Angkor Wat is its bas-relief carvings. These carvings stretch for hundreds of meters along the temple walls and tell stories from Hindu epics such as the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. They also show scenes of daily life, battles, and royal ceremonies. Through these carvings, we can learn a great deal about Khmer society, beliefs, and history. In the late 13th century, Buddhism gradually replaced Hinduism as the main religion of the Khmer Empire. Angkor Wat was transformed from a Hindu temple into a Buddhist temple, and remains a place of worship today. This continuous religious use helped preserve Angkor Wat better than many other temples in the Angkor area. After the decline of the Khmer Empire, Angkor was slowly abandoned, and the jungle began to reclaim many of its temples. However, Angkor Wat was never completely forgotten. Buddhist monks continued to live and pray there, keeping the temple alive through the centuries. In the 19th century, Angkor Wat gained international attention when European explorers and scholars began to study it. Since then, efforts have been made to protect and restore the temple. In 1992, Angkor Wat was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its global cultural importance. Today, Angkor Wat stands as a testament to the creativity, faith, and strength of the Khmer people. It reminds us of Cambodia's rich past and continues to inspire visitors from around the world. Thank you very much, and see you next episode.